To create a product, it's really easy to do. You just press the top right button, Add Product. From here, you will be able to fill in all your product details. You will have the title, the description. You can also insert your image. And if we take a look there, you can upload an image directly from your computer. You can also implement an image from URL. And you'll also be able to access your library inside of your own account if you already previously uploaded any kind of images inside your chatbots. You'll also be able to show the pricing itself and whether or not you want to charge tax on this specific product. If you want to compare prices, then you will have the discount price here. For example, let's say 29.99, and you will have the original price at the compare a price section. You will then see the pricing updated in the left top corner. You'll also be able to have a stock keeping unit along with the barcode if you so choose. You can also track the quantity, as you can see here, and you can also implement continue selling when out of stock. So for example, if you want to create back orders, this way you can. You can also implement a variance. So if you want to implement a variant like a color set, then you can easily do so with this option as well. On the right hand side, you will also have the product availability, whether or not it's available. You have notes for internal use. And also you will be able to update the organization details. So for example, what is the product type, the vendor, the tags, and the collections. Let me fill in something real quick so you can have a good example of how it looks like. As you can see here, I have filled in some information like the title, men's t-shirt, description 100% cotton, the pricing we already did, right? I'm not going to go with any kind of inventory settings, but I did go with variants like colors, for example. I inserted the options blue, green, black, and white. As soon as you insert new options, you will also see the preview variants on the bottom of the screen. If we go with sizing, for example, and go with a few sizing models, you'll see those will be added to the preview as well. So now we have two different kinds of variants for blue, like blue in the M version and blue in the L version size, along with all the green, black, and white in that same size. You'll also be able to adjust the pricing and the quantity for each variant. So for example, if we have a lot from these kinds of blues, but from the size L we only have 25, we can adjust the quantity as well. We can also add stock keeping units here if we wanted to, and we can also delete any kind of variable that we don't need. So for example, if we do not have a blue variant with the sizing L, we can just delete this from the overview. On the right hand side, you will see that the product type has been set to t-shirt. The vendor is set to none. A vendor could be useful when having multiple vendors that are delivering these kinds of t-shirts. But if you are the only web shop and the only deliverer of this t-shirt, then it's not needed. On the third tab, you will see that we have tags like t-shirt, cotton, and for men. And at the moment, we do not have any collections yet to add to it, but we will come back to this in a future video. If we press save, we'll see that now the product has been set to the product's overview, and you can edit this by going to the right hand side and choose the pencil icon.